taxpayers, we need to start keeping score. This is 2025, and to date, there's been no meaningful property tax reform. What we've seen the state legislature vote for is to cut the personal property tax that power plants pay. They've allocated $600 million, a gift to the Cleveland Browns Stadium. They voted for those things, but they have not voted to give any meaningful property tax reform. We've already discussed how it costs less than 3% of the state budget to give a 100% property tax exemption for seniors. And it's not true that the state doesn't get your property taxes. We all know that over 60% of property taxes go to public schools. And we all know that Article 6, Section 2 of the Ohio Constitution makes that the state's responsibility. So more than half of our property taxes are going to the state and the schools that they control. To say there's local control over schools is a joke. If your school board decides to vote against the Ohio Revised Code, they might end up in prison, but it certainly isn't the case that they have control. Ultimately, the state legislature governs our public schools in every meaningful respect. They're responsible for funding them under the state constitution, and they're collecting more than half of our property taxes. So the solution has to come from the state, and it's got to be paid for by the state. I want to close by saying this. Anytime someone says that a tax cut is somehow subsidizing taxpayers misses the point. It's not state dollars, they're your dollars. It's your money.